Hi everybody, today I'm showing you a recipe that is gonna be helpful if you have a chocolate cake that didn't come out good or got stick to the pan or didn't got thick enough to make the cake that you wanted. So it's a way to save, that's why I called it a cake saver roll. It's very easy and I always got a lot of compliments every time I made it because it's very good. And to fill it, I just used the mascarpone filling that I made for the tiramisu the last week. So just let me know what you think. I'm gonna leave you to the photos and how I made it. As usual, I remind you to follow me on Instagram, on Facebook, and to subscribe to my channel. Okay, enjoy the video and bye. First of all, you have to take a chocolate cake that didn't come out good. As you can see, the one that I'm using in the video got stuck to the pan, and you have to simply mash it with your hands. When it's all mashed, I'm gonna add 200 grams of milk. It has to be room temperature. And 150 grams of melted chocolate. I'm using dark chocolate, but you can use milk or white chocolate, whatever you prefer. I'm gonna mix everything together. It's gonna get a little messy, but you just have to mix everything together pretty good. I'm gonna take a piece of wrap, plastic wrap, and put all the, let's call it dough we got, and I'm gonna have to smooth it into a rectangle. I'm gonna put another layer of plastic wrap on top with a rolling pin. I'm just gonna smooth it and make the rectangle that you see here in the video. You have to try to be as precise as you can, because as more perfect the rectangle will be, as nicer the roll will be at the end. The mascarpone cream that I'm using here is the same one that I made for the tiramisu in the last video. So I'm using 250 grams of mascarpone cheese, 150 grams of cream, 100 grams of sugar, 2 egg yolks. I'm gonna mix everything together with my KitchenAid and the whip. If you have electric whips, it's fine too, it's just gonna take a little more time. I'm just gonna mix it for 4 to 5 minutes. Halfway, I'll just add a tablespoon of vanilla. And when it reaches the consistency of whipped cream, it's ready. You'll see when it gets stuck to the whip if you lift it. When the mascarpone cream is ready, I'm just gonna put it on the rectangular we got before, and I'm gonna smooth it and make a thin layer. When it's all smooth, I'm just gonna roll it with the help of the plastic wrap. It's gonna take a little patience, but it's not that hard, I promise. When it's all nice and rolled, I'll just cover with the plastic wrap and put it in the fridge for at least 1 hour, but I will suggest even more if you have time. When it's all cooled down, I'll just melt some more chocolate and cover my roll. When it's all covered, I'm just gonna let it sit for 10 minutes so the chocolate starts to dry. And with a little piping bag with chocolate inside, I'm just gonna do this little decoration on both sides. So so it has a little bit of a texture, and that's it. As you can see, when you cut it, it has a very nice look, and that's the recipe. I assure you it's the best, and I hope you enjoyed the video. See you to next one. Bye.